Thank you for choosing TeachUComp Incorporated for your software training. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the training interface. The training interface allows you to view the video lessons, open the PDF documents such as the manuals and syllabus, and even download a copy of Adobe Reader to open the PDF documents if necessary. Before you begin, make sure that your monitor's screen resolution is set to at least a 1024 by 768 pixel resolution so that you can view the entire training interface on screen. Instructions for changing your screen resolution are contained on the outside of your product packaging. The specific instructions will vary depending upon the operating system of your computer. Once you launch the product, you will see a training interface similar to the one shown in this video lesson. Note that the interface that I am using for this video demonstration is only an example of a general training interface, and that your training interface should display the name of the software training application in the gray bar at the top of the interface. First, you need to learn how to play the video file for each lesson within the chapters of your training. To do this, first use the Chapters drop-down at the left side of the training interface to select the chapter that contains the video lesson that you wish to view. Note that you can use the little scroll bar that appears in the drop-down menu to scroll through the chapters shown. Then click on the name of the desired chapter in the drop-down menu. Once you have selected the name of a chapter, you will then see the video lessons contained within that chapter appear within the list shown below the chapters drop-down. To view a lesson shown in this list, simply click on its name within the list to start the playback of the associated video file in the video player to the right. Notice the video playback control panel at the bottom of the video player. You use the buttons in this panel to control the playback of the video lesson. You can click the pause button to pause the movie if needed. This will then toggle the function of that same button to play. You can then resume watching the video lesson by clicking the play button. If you wish to stop the lesson, just click the stop button. If you stop the lesson, you can click the play button to begin playing it again from the beginning. As the lesson is playing, the movie progress indicator in this panel, which looks like a small triangle, shows your current progress in viewing the selected lesson. Once the file is fully loaded, you can click and drag the progress indicator left or right to jump to the section of the lesson that you want to view if needed. This can be helpful to review what you have just watched without restarting the lesson from the beginning, or to fast forward to a specific section of the video lesson. Also note, you can click the Start button to set the progress indicator back to the beginning of the movie, or you can click the End button to set the progress indicator at the end of the lesson file, although this is rarely used. Note that at the far right end of the video playback control, you can click the Audio button to toggle the sound on and off. When you have the sound enabled, you can click and drag the adjacent triangle slider to set the volume for the audio within the training. When you have finished watching the current video lesson, you can watch another one by clicking on the name of the video lesson to watch within the list at the left side of the screen. Once again, if you want to watch the video lessons from a different chapter, first select the name of the chapter that contains the lessons that you want to watch from the Chapters drop-down, and then click on the title of the desired video lesson shown within the list to watch it. Also note that you can use the scroll bars that can appear within both the Chapters drop-down and the listing of video files to view the names of all of the chapters and video lessons that are available for you to watch. Now once you have Adobe Reader installed on your computer, or if you already have Adobe Reader installed on your computer, you can then use the PDF documents that are included in the interface. To view the documentation, just click on the name of a PDF document shown within the PDF materials list at the left side of the training interface. The selected item will then open in a new window using Adobe Reader. You can choose to leave the PDF materials open in a separate window if you prefer to view the material electronically as you watch the corresponding video lessons, or you can print the material to your printer through Adobe Reader by clicking the Print button within Adobe Reader and then use the paper copy instead. When you have finished using a PDF file, you can close it by simply clicking the X in the upper corner of the PDF window. Note that if you need to install Adobe Reader on your computer, then you can click the Get Adobe Reader link at the left side of the training interface to open your web browser and connect to the Adobe website, where you can download and install a copy of the software on your computer for free. Note that you must have an active internet connection to download and install this program from the internet. If you wish to practice with your software while watching the video lesson, simply launch your software. You can then switch between the training interface, any open PDF material windows, and your software window by simply clicking on the desired window to view within the taskbar that appears at the bottom of your screen. Now once you have finished using the training interface, you can close it by simply clicking the X in the upper corner of the training interface window. This completes this lesson on how to use the training interface. Once again, thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your business. Enjoy your training.